Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 9T, and today I will show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card or vice versa. And to get started, we'll want to open up the File app. So right here it's called exactly File Manager, and it's in the Google folder. And once you open it up, give it a second, and once it loads up, you will have right at the top different categories, as you can see right now in the recent ones. But besides that, you have the folders or directory, however you want to look at it. And by default, once you tap on it, it will stick you into your internal shared storage, which is more precisely the storage of your device only. But if you tap on that tiny little arrow, you can change to the SD card if you want to. Now I'm going to stick to this one at this moment. So let's start off by quickly going over a couple of folders that I consider to be important. And right off the bat, at the first place, it's going to be the DCIM folder, which will contain pictures, videos, screen recording, and also screenshots in here. So anything that is associated with camera and just photography. As you can see, there's a bunch of photos here, screen recording, videos, screenshots, all in here. Then if we go back, another important folder, it's going to be the download folder. And as you can see, there's two different things. There's two different pictures. Images downloaded through a web browser or any kind of other place. If it's downloaded, saved to the device instead of captured itself, it's going to be in the downloads folder, along with anything else that you have downloaded. And honestly, that's about all the important folders that I can mention here. Most of the other ones will be empty or might not be. Just it depends what kind of applications you have downloaded from Play Store and where those applications decide to save. So once you find your files, which I'm going to be using, I'll just use these photos right here. So once you find your files, you want to select them, and to do so you can simply tap on that little circle right here besides it. This will select your files. You can select all by tapping right up here. As you can see, this will select every single file in here. Or if you want to select all but you want to keep it a little bit more organized, as an example, you could go back and simply select the entire folder itself. Now, as you can see, by default there is no circles, so to select a folder like that, all you do is hold it, and again it gets selected. So anyway, once you have your files selected, you will have two different options. You can either move them or copy them. Now, which one you pick, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna go with the move, which is right here. If you want to copy, it's gonna be under more, which you can see right here. So I'm gonna go with move. And once you choose one of the two options, it will move you to this place right here. So you can move it to an internal shared storage, which is where we are right now. So just you could move them to a different location out of the DCIM folder, or you can move it to a completely different storage like the SD card, which is below. And then we have storage for dual apps. I believe this is if you have two different spaces on your device. And then below that we have the Google Drive, which is just a online storage, for instance, like on Google in this case. But anyway, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to stick with the SD card, so that's what I'm going to select. And from here, I can drop it wherever I want. So I could tap on paste, and this would paste it right here in the middle of the SD card. Or I can navigate into a folder if I wanted to keep it a little bit more organized. So I just go into the DCIM folder, which also exists on the SD card, but in here it's actually empty, and paste the photos into this folder. And there we go, we have pasted the files. So if I would go back to the internal shared storage, as you can see right here, those files will be missing from here and can be found now only on the SD card right here, as you can see. And that is basically how you remove any kind of file from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.